Draw another hat here. Now what we have to do is, whatever is here, that jumps here. So I'm going to bring 36 here. Now what do we do? 12. We have to say the 12 times tables, or keep saying it till we reach 36. 12 into 3 is 36. Okay, 12 3s are 36. Once we get the 0 as a remainder, we stop here. And guys, guess what is the HCF? It is 12 and not 3. Okay. Okay, when they say HCF by Euclidean method, what we first have to do is first arrange this in the ascending order. The first number has to be the small number, and then the larger number will come next. Now we have to draw this hat. This is known as the hat when they call it the Euclidean method, finding HCF by Euclidean or the hat method. We write 36 here and 84 here. Check the multiples of 36. 36 into 1 is 36, multiplied by 2 is 72, into 3 is 108, but we have to stop at 84. So I am going to take 72. 36 into 2, here we write 2 is 72. Do the subtraction. We get 12. Now very important, draw another hat here. Now what we have to do is, whatever is here, that jumps here. So I'm going to bring 36 here. Now what do we do? 12. We have to say the 12 times tables, or keep saying it till we reach 36. 12 into 3 is 36. Okay, 12 3s are 36. Once we get the 0 as a remainder, we stop here. And guys, guess what is the HCF? It is 12 and not 3. Okay. So the HCF of 36 and 84 is 12. Okay, now here I have arranged them already in the ascending order. First 48 and then we write 96. Multiples of 48 is 48 into 1 is 48. 48 2s are 96. Okay, straight away we have got 96. So 48 into 2 is 96. That's it. The remainder is 0. We stop here. So the HCF of 96 and 48 is 48 itself. Okay, now when there are three numbers, you have to find the highest common factor of three numbers together. Again, arrange them in the ascending order. This is already arranged in the ascending order. So what we are going to do is, first we are going to just deal with two numbers. Okay, ignore this for now. First we are going to deal with 72 and 108. Okay, here I have not written the multiples of 72. Quickly let me jot it down. 72 into 1 is 72. How much is 72 into 2, guys? 144. Okay, we have 144 is higher than 108. So 72 ones are is 72. We subtract 36. Come on guys, what is the step? Continue drawing the hat. Bring 72 down. Now say the tables of 36. I mean, you can't say the tables per se, but you can just solve and see. I guess 36 2s are 72. 36 into 2 is 72. There our remainder is 0. We stop here. And what is the HCF, guys? 36 is the highest common factor of these two numbers, but we still have to deal with 180. So what am I going to do with that 180? I will take the HCF of the first two numbers, which is 36, and take the remaining number, the number which is like yet to be dealt with. So 36 1s is 36, 36 2s is 72, 36 3s is 108, 36 into 4, 144, and 36 into 5, 180. Okay, so 36 5s is 180. Remainder is 0. We stop here. And so the HCF of all the three numbers, 72, 108, and 180 is 36. Now I want you to try two sums on your own, and I'm going to bring out the answers very soon. There you go. Pause the video, solve it, and I'll bring up the solution. Okay, I'm bringing up the solution now. That's it. Now I am moving on to LCM of three numbers by short division method. That's my favorite, and that is what you usually do in the higher classes, okay? So let me just say, this is also known as the ladder method or the short division method. Mind you, the prime factorization method and the common factor method or the common multiple method, I have already released those videos as phase 1 and phase 2 of HCF and LCM. You can check those out also. Okay, now it's 18 and 24. What I want you to do is just place them side by side. Draw a line. This is known as the ladder. My lines are already here, so I'm not going to repeat or draw the lines again. Now we begin with only the prime numbers and see whether both are divisible by a particular number. Even if it is not, if one of them is divisible, we continue with that number. You will understand what I'm saying by it. 2 into 9 is 18. 2 12s is 24. So what am I doing here? 18. Is it divisible by 2? Yes. So 2 9s is 18, 24. 2 12s is 24. Next step. 9. Is 9 divisible by 2? No, but 12 is. So what am I going to do? To keep writing 9 because it is not divisible, we are going to bring it down. And 2 6 is 12. Again continue with 2 because 6 is divisible by 2. 9, 3. Okay, now both these numbers are not divisible by 2. We move to next number 3, prime number. Mind you, they have to be prime number. We have done this before. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Final thing, 3 1s is 3, and we just copy this down. The minute we are here at 1 and 1, we stop here. And guys, guess what the LCM is? It is the multiplication of all these prime numbers which have come on the left here. So the LCM of 18 and 24 is 2 into 2, 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. And 24 3s are, how much is 24 3s are? 72 is the LCM of these two. Oh, question number 2 is too easy. So what am I going to do? Just place them next to each other. Draw one line here. Let's start with 2. 2 10s is 20. 2 15s is 30. Okay. 10 is divisible by 2. So we continue with 2. Copy 15 down. Don't do anything else with it. Just copy it down because it is not divisible by 2. Next, we can either move to 5 because it is also a prime number, or 3 if you want to bring it down in the ascending manner, whatever works. Copy 5 down because it is not divisible by 3. 5s are. Now 5, 1, 1, stop, and the multiplication of all this. Remember guys how I do my multiplication, whatever I find easy, like 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 30 2s are 60 is the LCM of 20 and 30. You have to mention it like this, okay? 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 is 60, so the LCM is 60. One more sum I will do before you have to try 2 on your own. Okay, here there are 3 numbers. So what am I going to do? I'm going to place all of them next to each other and straight away start with whatever is divisible by it. Okay, we'll begin with 2. 2 12s is 24, 2 18s is 36, 2 30s is 60. Again 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18, 2 15s are 30. Continue with 2 because 6 is still divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6, doesn't go, so copy it down, copy it down. Next we move to 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Continue with 3 because we still have 1 3. Copy 5 because it doesn't go by 3. Final 5 1 1 1, stop. Multiply all these numbers. How do we do the multiplication? 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 30 2s are 60, 60 2s are 120, and 120 into 3 is 360 is the LCM of these 3 numbers. Okay, question number 4 and 5 I want you to try on your own. I'm going to put up the answers very soon. I'm putting up the answers. That's all for today. I'll come up with some other video very soon.
Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.